Hey, just leave it to the PE pros.
Four Corners Fitness.
How to play. Four corners will appear. Pick which corner you think has a point in it. Then complete the exercise for the corner you chose. There are going to be 3 rounds total with 3 games within each round. In round 1, there's going to be 3 corners that have a point. In round 2, there's going to be 2 corners that have a point. And then finally, in round 3, only 1 corner will have a point. We're going to be practicing our locomotor movements today, so go ahead and skip to a corner.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Gallop to whichever corner you want right now.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Now let's see you hop to whatever corner you want.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Quick, go ahead and carefully run to the corner you want to choose.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Let's bring it down a notch, and this time walk to the corner you want to choose.
Five, four, three, two, one.
This one ought to be interesting. Go ahead and dance to the corner of your choice. Do whatever dance you want to do.
Five, four, three, two, one.
This time, let's get down and leap to a corner, kind of like a frog.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Slide to a corner using your feet.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Bear crawl to a corner. Bonus points if you do a bear growl as a sound effect.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Hey, thank y'all for playing. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.